Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be creating a mani using two colors from RCS Custom Nail Dips. The first color here, it's a beautiful warm shimmer brown and it is called Hot Coca, but the shimmer on here is super light and it pulls more of a warm brown and it's super pretty for the rustic vibe that we're going for. And then the other color that we're going to be using is called Chocolate Sprinkles and it is a beautiful dark chocolate brown with beautiful glitter in it. And check out the glitters in here. I just like how the glitters are super fine and it's perfect for the fall autumn season. And look at this duo together, super pretty. Now these colors are sold individual and you can get them from RCS Custom Nail Dips. I'll go ahead and link everything below. If you haven't checked out RCS Custom Nail Dips, definitely swing over to the website. There's some awesome fall colors in there. And stay tuned because the next couple Thursdays we're going to be doing a whole bunch of fall manis featuring RCS Custom Nail Dips. So I'm really excited for that. Next week mani is going to be really fun. So definitely consider subscribing if you haven't yet already. And I'll go ahead and link everything that we're using in the description box below. For today's mani, we are going to be doing the gel method, and I know some of you requested to do some more dip liquids. I definitely will be doing that in the future. I do have a dip liquid video coming up on my channel, I believe this Saturday, so stay tuned for that. So I'm going to go ahead and let you watch this mani process, and I'll pop back in a little bit. Alright, so we're just wrapping up this mani, and how cute is this mani? I think it's super pretty and it's perfect for the fall autumn season, and I think those little polka dots are super fun and they were super easy to recreate. So definitely if you want to try some nail art, that's the perfect way. Use your gel base, make some dots on there with a dotting tool, and put some dip powder on there and you got some polka dots. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!